What's good, Ignitions? What's good? Thank you guys for joining me in today's video. If you guys are new here, my name is Santos. If you guys are returning subscribers, what's good, fam? Thank you guys for the continued support and welcome back to another video. So in today's video, guys, I'm going to be changing it up just a little. So in today's video, guys, I thought it would be very interesting to show you guys how I pack when I travel. So in today's video, guys, I'm going to be showing you guys how I pack my toiletries as well as my makeup in one system. So let me go ahead and show you guys the system that I utilize. So this is my travel bag. This is my toiletry bag as well as my makeup bag. It does have two compartments, which I truly love. I do need to mention before you guys ask, this was sold at Sephora around 2016, I think, to 2018. They did have different patterns, and they no longer sell it, unfortunately, because this was a great system. And you know what? I've tried to leave this system twice, and guys, I've come back. My mama said, if it's not broken, don't fix it. You know what I'm saying? So unfortunately, I always come back to this bag, even though it is, you know, boring, because it is kind of boring, but I do love it. It really is a great bag, and this bag has been with me everywhere across the United States, as well as some Caribbean islands. Oh my gosh, it's been everywhere with me. So if you guys want to see exactly how I pack when I do go on vacation, definitely stay tuned for the tutorial portion of this video. But before you guys go, don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up. Consider subscribing to the Ignitions family if you guys aren't already. Don't forget to spread the word on your new favorite influencer. And without further ado, guys, enjoy the tutorial, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Hi guys, so let's just jump right in. So I have emptied out my toiletry case, and as you guys can see, there is nothing inside, so we're gonna go ahead and fill this together. So let's talk about some of the essentials before we actually start packing. So one thing that I think that is very imperative when we are traveling is the Ziploc bags. This is truly a must-have for any kind of travel lover. These are very good for preventative measurements. So I like to go ahead and always have one of these where I'm going to have my liquid products. So these are literally my body essentials, or like my basics that I use anytime I travel. So these kind of do live already in here, but I did want to go ahead and just take them out so I can show you guys what I use them for, or what their uses are for. So I always have a lotion always in my bag. So I do love the Jergens formula. So I do always have one of these. I do make my own concoction. So this is lotion and oil together, because oil is not really friendly at traveling. So I love to go ahead and do my own lotion and oil concoction, and usually this is good for about 5 days of double lotioning, so lotioning in the morning and lotioning at night. So I do love this. I am going only away for 4 days, so this is way more than enough. I am going to refill it as soon as this video is done, but I do want to show you guys how I use this. I bought these at Muji, and I love these little containers. Right here, this is my, I do apologize about my dogs. This is my shower gel. I love to shower with my shower gel. I don't like bar soap. It's just not for me. So next up is my oil cleanser. So I love to have one of these just in case. This is a backup. I do have a travel skincare bag that I keep on my carry-on that I will show you in the next part of this video, but I always carry one of these in my actual toiletry case just in case. And then I do have my contact case, and I do have my contact solution. I always keep these together when I am traveling. It makes it really easy for me to find anything. And then of course a toothpaste. Always need toothpaste. I do have a hack for you guys. If you guys remove this and take a full tub of toothpaste and push it onto the entrance of this, you can refill this, so you don't have to keep on rebuying these from the dollar store. Like, it just makes it super convenient. It's a great hack to have or know. And then I do always keep a lip balm with me. So this is the Bobbi Brown lip balm. I always keep one of these with me in my bag because when you travel, your skin gets very dehydrated as well as your lips. And then the last final thing that I like to keep in this compartment is my deodorant. Love my solid deodorants. And I love the Dove formula. So I am going to show you guys that how I put them in. So this is how I like to pack everything, very convenient in a bag. So just in case anything explodes, it's easy cleanup and you can literally just discard of the mess. So super easy. So we're gonna go ahead and put that into our toiletry case. So that is gonna go right in here. Alright guys, so next up is my grooming supplies for my face. First up is my Manscaped. This is my beard trimmer, so I always take this. Of course, fully charged. It doesn't need to be charged. Once it's fully charged, it's good to go for like around 10 to 15 usage, depending on how long you use them. But this is such a great product for travel and it's super small and convenient. Alright guys, so next up is my nose hair trimmer. I love to make sure that I carry this anytime to make sure that I don't have any long straggly nose hairs as well as ear hairs. I always make sure to have this on top of me. I do always carry a grooming scissors, so this is great for when I'm giving myself a shape up or if I need to cut any kind of long eyebrow hairs. I do have that. These are so important, guys. These are pre-moistened Q-tips, and these are great for the days that I wind up having a long night out and I wear makeup and then I come home and take off my makeup and I didn't get all the residual of mascara off. This will help me so much in the morning, so that way I don't look like a damn raccoon. And then here in this pouch I do keep Q-tips as well as my straight razor, so I do keep that here. I as well keep some bobby pins, because sometimes when I'm on vacation, the last thing I want to think about is my hair, so I put that bad boy in a bun. And then the last thing that I always carry are Crest white strips, just in case I just need to touch up my smile. I do have these with me, so I am gonna go ahead and put these in the bag. Alright guys, so here is everything packed up in here, and now we're just gonna move that into our case. So actually, let me get some air out. There you go. Actually, this is a perfect fit right in here. Alright guys, and the last thing that I do try to fit in here is my hairbrush, my edge comb, my comb for my parts, and then some scrunchies, and then I do use a edge control, which is just for me to take away my flyaways, to smooth down my flyaways and any kind of stubborn hair. So I am going to try to finesse that in here, so just give me a moment. Alright guys, as you can see, why I love this bag so much is that even with extra product, like everything still fits in here and it's pretty snug. That's what I love about this bag, and everything that I need now is in here for the week as far as toiletries. So let's move on to the jewelry section. For jewelry, I don't put jewelry in here. I do put things that are easy accessible. So for this section, I'm going to go ahead and start off with my hair ties. I'm going to put that here. Alright, and I am going to put my comb in here as well, if it fits. If it doesn't, then okay, no, it does fit. Alright, so we're going to put those two in here, really easy to access. I will put a little mini powder puff in here. This is what I use to set my under eyes, so I'm going to put that right in here. I am going to take some daily So this is an extra exfoliating pad just in case I have any kind of stubborn makeup on that does not want to come off, so I'm gonna put that in here. All right guys, so let's go ahead and move on to my favorite part, which is the makeup compartment. So I love this setup. So these brushes do live inside this bag. I bought these specifically for this because when I travel I hate mixing my own brushes into here, and sometimes, you know what, honestly I do forget brushes, so I just keep the ones that I absolutely need in here. So I bought these separately so that I can travel with them. Again, they do live in here. So all I'm gonna add to this setup is I am going to add a flat brush. So I'm gonna add my flat powder brush. I am going to add a foundation brush. I am gonna go ahead and add on a stippling brush, and then of course my handy dandy inner tear duct highlighting brush. Alright guys, so as you guys can see, I have fully put everything in here, and guys, the great thing about this system is that everything stays flat and compact. Again, this is the perfect traveling system. Alright guys, so moving on to the most fun part is the makeup. And I'm just going to be 100% with you guys. I've been traveling for a long time, and I've been traveling with makeup for a long time, and honestly, I have lessened the amount of makeup I bring with me because all those extra stuff that I bring, I never use them, and when I'm on vacation, less is definitely more. As you get older, that quote really just stays with you, and it's true. So I am going to Florida, so I need something that's going to fight against the humidity. So I am going to bring my favorite, the One Size Turn Up the Base BBB cream, and I am going to bring my Charlotte Tilbury Beautiful Skin Foundation because this can be very drying on the skin. So I am just going to mix a little bit of this because I am not traveling with no oils. So this product is going to give the slip to this, and we should have more of a satiny formulation with these two. So I'm definitely packing these, and also they are in plastic tubes, so they are not going to break as we travel. So I'm gonna put these two here. The next thing is, oh actually let's go into primer. So for primer, this is the only glass thing I am going to be bringing. I am going to be bringing the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Hydrating Primer, one of my favorite primers. So I'm just going to take this one. Alright, as far as corrector and concealer, I am going to bring my Holy Grails. So I'm going to be bringing my Lancome color corrector and my Charlotte Magic Away concealer. Love this combo. I'm also gonna bring my NARS Soft Matte cream concealers just in case there's a day that I might need any kind of extra coverage, or if I get a pimple or something. So definitely going to bring that. So I'm just gonna house these in here just like that. Alright guys, so for powders, I am going to take the Huda Beauty powder as well as the ColourPop Pretty Fresh powder. This has been my go-to combo for the last few weeks, and I absolutely am obsessed. So I'm going to just pack these in as well. This is as far as complexion goes. Alright, so everything is nice and snugged. I'm going to be bringing my Natasha Denona Tans and Bronze Glow Kit. This pretty much has everything that I need to really just add dimension and shape and color to my face, as well as a beautiful glow. So I'm not gonna bring a whole bunch of stuff other than this as far as a bronzer. Alright, so I'm gonna put this down here. I'm such a minimalist now. I remember when I used to pack my whole life. As far as adding a little bit of color, I am going to take my Juvia's Place Blush Rose palette in volume 2. This palette I do truly adore because it does have everything that you truly need. It has a nice pink and a peach, and of course you can mix them to create an additional color. So I love this palette. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this as well. Alright guys, so for setting spray, I am gonna take the Fix Plus travel size, and I know it looks very milky. It's because I do put oil inside here, guys. I am truly a lover of oils, so I put about 6 drops of oil in here, and it did make the water a little bit milky, which is fine. The formula still works actually a lot better that I put the oils in here, and I love it. So I'm just gonna put this in here as well. This really, with the oils inside of here, it really just melts my powders into my skin, which I love. My inner tear duct highlight, I am going to take my MAC kit. So these 2 shades are Rice Paper and Nylon. This always gives me a banging inner tear duct highlight, which I am obsessed with. So I'm going to pack that. As well as far as mascara, I am going to take my MAC Stack It Up mascara. So for my brows, I am going to take my Anastasia brow pencil in chocolate. And then for my brow gel, I am going to take the Refry brow gel. Guys, love this combo so much. It's absolutely insane and one of the best. Because I'm going to a hot climate, guys, I am going to take my OG freckle product, so I can just create those freckle moments on my skin. As far as my beauty sponge, I am going to take my Sonia Kashuk beauty sponge, and I am going to take my Beauty Blender Pocket Puff, and this is going to be for me to apply powder, as well as this is going to be for my foundation. So I'm going to go ahead and just squeeze this in here. And then, guys, super easy to close. Again, let me go ahead and show you guys exactly how this looks when it's full. Alright, guys, so all of my toiletries are in here, as you guys can see. Some of my essentials are in here, my brushes, and then my makeup. Everything fits beautifully and compact in here and does not add bulk to my suitcase. So once this is all filled, we can go ahead and close this, and we want to go ahead, and it easily closes. Here is how everything looked. I am now ready to take on Florida. If I can find a dupe for this or a similar system, I will link it in the description bar down below. So yes, guys, if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up. Consider subscribing to the Ignitions family if you guys aren't already, and thank you guys for joining me in today's video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Later, guys.